today, as people are focused on an energy transition and a green future, we're going to need a lot of copper. Copper is the medium of electricity. Where that copper comes from and how that copper is produced and by whom that copper is produced is going to start becoming more and more important.
Foran Mining is a copper, zinc and precious metals explorer and developer based in northern Saskatchewan. Mineral exploration for Foran is incredibly important. We're looking for copper and zinc primarily. Copper is going to play a huge role in the decarbonisation of the world in the future. The sources of copper and zinc concentrate that we can produce are potentially going to be quite valuable in the future just by virtue of the way that we're also producing it.
For the low carbon and digital transition to be successful, we need to supply low carbon sustainable products. And that's exactly what we're doing here at Foran.
The mine is designed with a huge focus on people and the environment. Our footprint is incredibly small for the amount of copper and other metals and precious metals that we will produce. We are developing a culture of inclusivity, diversity and equity within our people. Our people are our greatest assets and they will create an incredible amount of value for all our stakeholders and shareholders.
Our approach to sustainability is different because it's embedded in just everything we do. We live it, we breathe it. We constantly talk about our impact to the environment, our impact to the people that work for us, and our impact to the communities around which we operate.
In 2023, we implemented a centrifuge system in our exploration drills that reduced our freshwater use by over 95%. We also focused on our freshwater recycling within our development activities and our treatment and discharge of clean treated water to land. Clean electrification is a critical pillar to our achievement of our net zero goal. We purchased battery electric mining vehicles. This keeps the air underground cleaner, and it also keeps the air above ground cleaner.
The deposits are going to be multi-generational assets, and that's why sustainability and climate is so important in how we design the mine today, because it's critical that we get these things right.
We've had immense success partnering with the Peter Ballantyne Cree Nation, and that partnership is really about working together to make sure that they have the economic benefits of our operation, that their people can benefit from our operation by learning new skills, by joining us in the workforce. And so it's really about benefiting them as an entire nation, as well as helping us successfully run our business. Our inaugural sustainability report is a milestone for us because it's the first time we're really putting pen to paper and showing people what we've been up to. There has been an incredibly small, diligent team working to deliver an astronomical amount in this space. And we want to show what we're doing and how we're doing it and the amazing impact we're having around us.
This report shows our commitment to freshwater stewardship, our health and safety performance, and how well we've done at developing our systems to keep people safe and also to set targets and improvement for the future.
It's an incredible milestone. It's taken about 20 years of work to get there, and that starts with environmental baseline studies, soil studies, engagement activities with local Indigenous communities and finding ways to maximize the benefits for all. It is the cornerstone of our company's philosophy and something which we are incredibly proud of.
Foran is a company at a really interesting inflection point in its history. We are solidly progressing the McIlvenna Bay project, and at the same time, the exploration team has made a couple of what we think are quite significant discoveries with the Tesla and the Bridge Zone.
Looking into the future, we are very focused on delivering our initial plans in terms of net zero carbon design and our innovative water stewardship, as well as many aspects on biodiversity and nature, and really just improve society as a whole and help be a small contributor to the energy transition that we all want today.
At Foran, we're looking to be leaders in innovation, and that means focusing on solutions, being positive and being creative about how we address some of the challenges that we're facing in the world as a whole. We really try to be that positive success story from Saskatchewan and from Canada that we can bring to a global stage.
There's going to be a hell of a lot more growth from here, and we hope to become a leader in sustainable mining practices as we continue that growth.